Hey everybody, today on Make Your Mark, we are making some beautiful braided wire beaded bangles. Say that 3 times fast. And we're doing this with the help of our friends at John Bead, who just sent me a bunch of colorful metal complex 22 gauge wires. Now I've been using 22 gauge wire in my projects for years, but this stuff is amazing and the colors are just fantastic. And not only that, it's a little bit sturdier than most 22 gauge wires. I think you're gonna love this project, and it is a terrific little Christmas gift to make for a friend. Are you ready? Let's jump in. I'm starting with 22 gauge metal complex wire from John Bead and Crystal Lane DIY Twisted Crystals. Cut 3 lengths of 10-inch long wire strands. Grab the 3 ends and with round nose pliers, bend them toward you. Take the ends and bend them over the round nose of the pliers to create a loop. Wrap the 3 wires around the neck . Trim with wire cutters and then flatten the ends. Separate the wires and add 15 beads to each wire. I'm using the 4mm pearls for this bracelet. Bend each wire at the end to make sure that the beads don't fall off while you're braiding. Starting on the right, slide 1 bead toward the top, then bend it over the center wire. Now slide a bead up on the left-hand strand and bend the loop over the center wire. Just like braiding, but adding a bead before you bend the wire over the center wire. Keep going until you get to the last bead. Straighten out the ends of the wire so it's easy to work with. About 3/8 inch up from the last bead, bend the wires over the round nose pliers to create a loop. Then bend them around the neck. Clip and flatten with pliers. Before I add closures, I'm going to experiment with different colors and beads on different strands, just to see what patterns emerge when they're braided. I love that the Crystal Lane Twisted Crystals from John Bead come in so many different color combinations and variations. They are perfect for this project. Plus, the metal complex wires come in so many different colors, so you can mix and match like crazy. For the closures, you'll need jump rings and lobster claws. Just add a jump ring and a lobster claw to one end, and another jump ring to the other end, and you're done. I'm gonna leave a link for everything in this video in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this project, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling. And if you want projects that I don't share anywhere else, take a look at my Patreon page. I'll leave a link for that below as well. Thanks for hanging out with me on Make Your Mark. I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.